Economic impacts of El Nino. In Australia, drier weather will impact agricultural production. However, as agriculture only accounts for 2% of Australian GDP, and a strong El Nino may only reduce Australian agricultural GDP by 15 to 20%, the overall impact of a strong El Nino on Australian GDP could be as little as 0.25%. In Peru, the warmer ocean water around Peru during El Nino will contain fewer nutrients and cause fish stocks to migrate to cooler waters. The 1997-98 event caused an 80% decline in fish stocks and a 62% reduction in fish meal exports, costing the Peruvian economy $3.5 billion. America. In the past El Nino, there has been a net benefit in the US. The warmer weather decreases energy demand during the winter, which increases sales of retail products and housing, along with agricultural production, which also appears to improve. The 1997-98 El Nino has had a net benefit of $15 billion on the US economy. Tim the Fish.
This graph shows how Hurricane Katrina really affected the United States as a whole. It directly costed over $100 billion US, more than any other disaster mentioned from the past 2 decades. It is also compared to a 2004 hurricane, the 9/11 attacks, Hurricane Andrew, and an earthquake in Los Angeles. The economic short-term impacts of Hurricane Katrina include rioting and looting, which caused loss of stock and therefore revenue, and looters picked through casino slot machines for money. Damage to the oil industry, which caused oil costs to increase by $3 per barrel. Business and banks destroyed, which caused a total economic loss of $250 billion US. Damage costs of up to $95 to $125 billion, and 12 casinos which were built on barges destroyed, which produced $2.7 billion in annual revenue.